Hi guys, I'm Yufeng. Behind me we have my Nissan Skyline R34 professional drift car build. We've been working with Aero to create a custom duckbill spoiler for the R34, and Aero is going to be coming down later today to 3D scan the car.
So at YMotorsport, we're going to be 3D scanning this trunk of the R34 Skyline. This way we'll get the data we need to model the duckbill. So using the data we got from the 3D scan, we're able to design a duckbill on our 3D engineering program. You guys can see here, it's designed to follow all the contours of the trunk while still giving like an aggressive look, like a really aggressive swooped back look.
So after we finish designing the spoiler, we make the program so that we can machine it out on our CNC machine. Here's a video of it being machined.
Alright guys, so this is our prototype plug. This came off the CNC machine and then it went through our prep stage. It got ready for mold making. What you see here, this is the prototype mold. This is just a quick one that we made just to get our first fiberglass prototype. That way we can work with it and fit it to the car. And from this and all the fitting and prep work, we get this finished part, which as you can see, has all three sides, including the bottom of the trunk. And that way we can make sure it fits to the car perfectly. And now this is going to be ready to get a production style mold made. Alright, so we got the finished fiberglass prototype here. We're just going to be test fitting it on the car one last time before we make the mold, just to make sure that everything's looking how it's supposed to.